What I wish I knew before joining the barracks. The real battle isn't just on the field. Picture this, it's the middle of the night. Mike's lying in bed trying to catch some Z's when suddenly... Roar! It's not a bear, it's not a chainsaw, it's Johnson snoring. Mike nudges Jane, is that a chainsaw or a person? Jane, half asleep, mumbles, that's Johnson. I swear he could snore through a hurricane. They both chuckle, knowing they're in for another sleepless night. Living in the barracks means you get front row seats to Johnson's snoring symphony. Forget earplugs, you need industrial-grade noise-cancelling headphones. So if you ever think your roommate's snoring is bad, just remember, at least it's not Johnson level. And hey, if you can't beat him, might as well laugh about it. Life in the barracks, it's a real snooze fest, literally.